welcome to Chris Cook for YouTube. Today I'm going to be doing a simple but yet very tasty potato dish. Last night I prepared my meat for today's dinner. I made a pork shoulder roast, so I wanted to pick a side for that, and I realized that I didn't have this online. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to make fast and easy but yet good sliced potatoes. Let's get started with the ingredients. You're going to need, of course, the potatoes. You're going to need garlic salt, rosemary, thyme, chicken broth, and butter. That's all you're going to need. So what I'm going to do is to go away, get my potatoes sliced up, and I'll be right back to put together this quick and fasty dish. Okay, now I'm back and I'm ready to make the potatoes, put the potatoes together. Here I have my melted butter, and that's a half stick. I'm going to go ahead and add to that 1 tablespoon of my rosemary, 2 teaspoons of my thyme, 1.5 teaspoons of garlic salt. Now, the reason why I use garlic salt when I could have used garlic powder is I wanted to make certain that I cover the salt and the garlic at the same time. If you want to split yours up and do it differently, you can go ahead. If you want to change your seasonings, you can do that as well. But the seasonings that I'm going to actually put on these potatoes is going to be real good to go with this roast that I have already prepared. Now, in this bowl, I did wash my potatoes, and I used a paper towel to just paper towel pat dry, because you don't need that excess water. Now what I'm going to do is to take the sauce that I've made, or the seasonings, combined seasonings that I have here in the bowl, and I'm going to saturate my potatoes with that. Now I'm going to put this on a baking sheet. I'm going to allow it to cook for about 25 minutes, 25 minutes in my oven. Then I'm going to bring you back for the next step. Now, if you noticed, I did not put the chicken broth on the potatoes, nor did I use it in the ingredients yet, because it's not time for that. So I'm going to go ahead and take this baking sheet, and I'm going to spread, and you don't have to oil it up or grease it up, because you have oil on your potatoes, and right now what you're going to be trying to do is to brown your potatoes. So I'm going to go ahead, and you don't want to put enough whereas they don't have equal amounts of room in order to cook. Now these are very tasty. So you're going to spread them out on your baking sheet. Okay, and this is really good enough. Now I'm going to put this in my oven, 350 degrees, 25 minutes, and at the end of 25 minutes I'm going to bring you back, and I'm going to do the last step. Now if you have just, some of them just sitting on top of each other, that's okay. But what you don't want to do is to just stockpile it on top of each other and then try to cook them. That's not going to be good. So okay, we got them all in. All of them appear to have seasonings on it. This is a real good fast dish. I think that if you try it, you're truly going to enjoy it. So I'll put it in the oven, and I'll bring you back, and I'll be at my oven after that 25 minutes. Be right back. Okay, now I'm back in the house. You can smell rosemary everywhere. Okay, so I'm going to take them out at this point. And what you want to do now is you want to put a half of a cup of your chicken broth. All over them. 1/2 a cup. That's about 1/2 cup. And you want to put them back in the oven for 15 minutes. Now, I did give you the wrong temperature. Okay, the temperature is 475. When I checked it, it was 475, so I immediately turned my oven up. So I'm going to put this back in for 15 minutes at 475, and I'll bring you back when it's done. All right, now I'm back. It's been 15 minutes and the potatoes are done. trade sides. There you go. Now, the reason why that temperature was so high is because this is the way you want your potatoes to come out. You want them to come out with the roasted looking color, and you want them to be done. So now I'm just going to put some on the plate with the roast that I made. Now you talk about smelling good. This kitchen really smells good. I mean, really good. There you go. Just a little bit. That rosemary really lights it up. And there you have it. Chris is making sliced potatoes along with a pork roast. That's what I cooked yesterday. Just wanted to show you a different way to do sliced potatoes. Okay? So try that. It is a quick and fast recipe. I think that if you tried it for your family, you're truly going to enjoy it. And as always, thank you for watching Chris Cook for You Too. Hold on. Got a little message coming after this. Bye.